Hey guys, it's Miss Howard and happy Tuesday. I know that we are continuing on with Allied with Green. And usually when we have our 2-day assignments, I don't come back because I'll just let you know on the first day what you need to do, and then you guys will already know what to do for the next day. But I want to apologize because my video yesterday, it didn't go over what you needed to do as in what you needed to do to be successful. And I do apologize for that, guys. So on today's agenda, after you do your attendance journal, you're going to be continuing on with Allied with Green, okay? And you need at least 5 annotations, okay? And after that, you will be reading for at least 20 minutes, and then do I notice, I wonder. And what do we need to do to be successful today with Allied with Green? All right, so you make your annotation on the story as you read, at least 5. And then you can identify the author's purpose. Okay, we talked about that a little bit yesterday in the videos you saw. We talked about the author's purpose a little bit. The author's purpose is, why did the author write this? Okay, so if you read yesterday, Allied with Green, you know it's about nature and about just the plants and all the things that are green in nature. Okay, the trees, flowers, and everything. So why do you think the author wrote this? Okay, what's the author's thoughts about all things in nature? Okay, why did the author want to write this story? That's the author's purpose. Okay, now let's look at the figurative language in the story. Okay, how did the author use figurative language? Okay, we mean like similes, metaphors. How did they use it? How did they use it to describe the things in the story? Okay, we know figurative language is a really interesting way to describe things. So how were the similes, metaphors, how were they used in this passage? And then when looking at the figurative language, you can say exactly what they meant. Okay, so if I say Mrs. Howard is hungry as a horse, that means like I'm not actually as hungry as a horse because horses are really big, but you can really mean that I'm actually really, really hungry. Okay, so when you look at a figurative language, when you look at a simile or metaphor, you want to know exactly, we want to be able to say what they actually meant. Okay. And then lastly, you can analyze the author's purpose and message in, let me move myself out of the way. Okay. You can analyze the author's purpose and message in the story. You can analyze how the author's use of figurative language achieves the purpose. So how is the author using figurative language to show the purpose for writing? Okay. Does it sound like a lot? If it does sound like a lot, you can email me or come to tutorials at 11 o'clock today. All right, guys. And again, I do apologize for not doing all this stuff yesterday. But today we are continuing on with Allied with Green. All right. Happy Tuesday. Bye.